Your pet has cancer, and you're starting to wonder, is cannabis oil a treatment for cancer? You've been reading about this. There's a lot of it on the internet. So yes, it can be a treatment. It depends on the cancer, on the animal, and on the stage that the cancer is in. So there's a lot of ifs about any treatments for cancer. Lab research on humans and human research says, yes, CBD is effective in some tumors and some cancer. There has been at least one study done on canine tumors, certain cells of canine tumors done in the lab, and they showed a response to CBD. So there has been a little bit of studies done, and more are coming every day. Now, it's really important to be sure you've got good quality CBD. I would recommend not just trying CBD by itself if you have an animal with cancer. I would strongly suggest you be working with a really great homeopathic veterinarian or Chinese medicine veterinarian, somebody who is specializing in treating your whole pet, making your dog or cat feel better, and CBD may be part of the treatment they recommend, or you can ask about it and suggest it. But what you buy needs to be organic, preferably extracted with CO2, and you really need to pay attention to the source of where it's coming from. So yes, it can help with cancer, and it's something you need to be careful with and make sure you've got really good quality. I'm Dr. Christina Chambreau, licensed veterinarian on the Faculty of Holistic Actions, where we talk a lot about many of the different treatments for cancers and even have a course on that.